In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube banner in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from a blank template, customize it to match your channel, and download it in the right format, all inside Canva's editor. First, log into your Canva account in your browser or the desktop app. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand toolbar and click on the Create button. A pop-up will appear with a search field at the top. Type YouTube banner into that search box. Canva will show you different design styles, but don't worry about the options having different layouts. They're all already sized correctly for a YouTube banner. Click on the YouTube banner option and it will open up a new design inside the editor. When the editor loads, you'll see the templates panel already open on the left side. This is where you can quickly get started without designing from scratch. If you have a particular vibe in mind, like gaming, beauty, or tech, you can use the search field at the top of that panel to narrow down the templates. Scroll through the options and take your time. When you find one that feels right for your channel, simply click on it. Canva will automatically place that template onto your banner canvas. Now it's time to customize it. Click on any part of the design to start editing. If you click on text, you'll see a floating toolbar appear. From here, you can change the font style, size and color, adjust alignment, and even tweak advanced settings like letter spacing and line spacing. To change what the text actually says, just click inside the text box and type in your channel name, tagline, or whatever you want featured on your banner. If you select another type of element, such as a shape or image, you'll still see a toolbar at the top, but with different options tailored to that element. To move anything around, click and drag it to a new position. You'll see resize handles on the corners and sides of the selected element. Drag those to make it larger or smaller while you fine-tune your layout. If you want to add new elements, go to the Elements panel on the left to bring in shapes, graphics, icons, or photos. To add extra text boxes, click on Text in the left toolbar. And if you have your own images or logos on your computer, click on Uploads. Then choose Upload Files to bring them into your design and drag them onto the banner. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner and click Share. From the drop-down, choose Download. Set the file type to PNG for the best image quality. Adjust any additional settings you need, then click Download. Canva will prepare your file and your YouTube banner will be ready to upload to your channel. And that's it. Your custom YouTube banner is complete and ready to go.